Hello and welcome everybody. It's KB here, and this is a Waterfox, a browser based on Firefox. The name is just absolutely genius because there is a Firefox Fire and there is now a Waterfox Water. This is not something new browser. If you have been using a Firefox, then there is a chance that you know about this browser. First of all, honesty time, I don't use Firefox or any Firefox based browsers. I use Chromium based browser and Chrome browser. I use Chrome and Edge browser. That's all. Okay, I'm making this video just because I really like the name, Firefox, Waterfox. It's really cool. So if you are someone who doesn't like to use Firefox but still want to use Firefox and you're looking for a alternative to Firefox, I think Waterfox is the best option. So you must be thinking, what are the differences between Waterfox and Firefox? Actually, there are quite a lot of differences. There is one difference that makes a Waterfox really unique. I'm making this video because of the name, because whoever thought the name for this browser, he is absolutely genius. That's all. I'm gonna say that again and again, and you'll have to listen to me. Yeah. So now let's just talk about the differences. So whoever wants a alternative for Firefox, that guy will have a better understanding why Waterfox is the best alternative for Firefox. Okay, so first of all, Waterfox is less bloated. Here is the quick example. So to the left we have the Waterfox, to the right we have the Firefox, and you will see a one save to pocket extension or whatever feature in Firefox, and in Waterfox you will not see that. So basically Waterfox is less bloated and more secure. You can also go to the official website of the Waterfox and you will see, so this browser has no telemetry, so which means it is less bloated and more secure. This browser collects limited data. Okay, they at least say that we do collect the data, but in limitation. Yeah, we don't collect full data. Okay, they're being honest here. I really like that. So this one is the huge feature. You can install Chrome, Firefox and Opera web extensions in Waterfox. That is amazing actually. Chrome is Chrome, Firefox is Firefox, but Waterfox is Chrome plus Firefox. Yeah. If you can install Chrome extensions, it is like a all-in-one browser. It's really good. Yeah, I think this is the best feature I think Waterfox has, and rest is like it's faster than the Firefox. So basically, it is a alternative for Firefox. If for some reason you don't like Firefox, maybe whatever the reason is, this is the alternative that you're looking for. That's all I want to say. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you use Firefox and you're looking for alternative, then I will put link in the description for the Waterfox. You can go there and download the Waterfox, try it out. And as I said, I'm not a Firefox user or Waterfox user. Simply, the name of the Waterfox is just genius. It's simple but very effective. Don't have words what to say. It's just simply amazing. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Now, do the comment. Which browser do you use? Do you use Firefox or Chrome or Chromium based browsers or Firefox based browsers, or maybe a Safari or something else? I don't know. So that's it. I'm a Chrome user, so I don't need to comment. So you do the comment. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.